And finally, the moment has arrived when the third lot is now getting weighed and has been sorted, is now finally in the process of getting loaded onto the vehicle, which should leave for Bhopal sometime today evening by tea time, probably arriving into Bhopal sometime later at night. Weather permitting, of course. Right now, the weather has been on our side, has been favoring us. There hasn't been rain, so the harvest has been possible as the weighing continues. And this time, of course, as we are drawing closer to the end of the Bombay Green, because probably about 3 to 400 kilograms remain now on the trees, which will probably in the next lot get exhausted. But a whole lot of other mangoes varieties are now going in, like the Pairi, like even some bit of Langda. Chosa is yet to come, and the others, so many of them, about 10 or 12 varieties, they are going to come in now shortly. And for now, of course, the beautiful, the sumptuous, absolutely sweet Bombay Green continues to get weighed and transported on to Bhopal. This is, I believe, the first time the mangoes from Pachmadi are actually reaching Bhopal to this extent. Of course, people used to carry back in small quantities, people used to carry back privately, and they used to be probably even carried back for gifting to others or not. Insofar as the retail is concerned, insofar as a larger scale supply into Bhopal is concerned, this would perhaps be among the very few times that the mangoes from the orchard at Pachmari would be actually coming into Bhopal and would be, of course, available to be relished. And ordinarily, of course, generally what happens is that people, the suppliers, the larger scale suppliers from Gujarat and from western region like Maharashtra especially, come into Pachmadi, and they are able to then take in most of the chunk of the produce, and very little or none actually is left to actually be transported into various places into Madhya Pradesh, especially Bhopal. So I believe Bhopal should actually feast on these mangoes, and it's absolutely amazing. I continue to say this again and again, that these mangoes actually will taste different. They are really, I mean, it's something about the soil, it's something about the water, it's something about the weather that they actually, mature into. It nurtures them in a way that, they actually end up sweeter and more delicious, than any other mangoes, that, well, at least we have experienced. And I believe that these should actually be experienced to be actually believed, and appreciated. So we can, of course, be reached on 9893001234. You can WhatsApp the requirements. It will be answered, it will be taken care of, and we'd love to hear from you. And we hope you enjoy these wonderful, lovely mangoes from the Highlands of Central India. And till they are coming, we will continue to bring them to you. Well, thank you. See you around.